This is the mantle hanger. It can adjust in a variety of ways to fit multiple types, sizes, and thicknesses of all different kinds of mantles. It is important to note that there are some mantles that these will not work with. Please see our website to see what types of mantles they will not fit. The first thing that you need to decide is what length of hook will work best for your mantle. If you have a very thick mantle, you might want to switch from the smaller hook to the larger hook. From here, you can adjust the bottom grip in a couple of different ways. First, you can lower it so that it fits the thickness of your mantle. It can also rotate and extend. To rotate it, loosen the screw until the teeth come apart and you're able to move it and adjust it to the thickness that you need. Tighten it back up and it will stay. To extend the bottom grip, loosen this screw and it will move up and down. Once you have a pretty secure fit, you can hang it onto your mantle. Another thing that's important to know is that your mantle hanger does not need to clamp or squeeze tightly onto your mantle. It just needs to fit securely. It is a cantilever, and that means that there is downward force from the weight hung from the hooks that will keep it secure to your mantle. There are two different hooks, one that you can hang your garland on and one that you can hang your stockings on. The mantle hanger also comes in a variety of colors.